The Case 836C motor grader is a powerful machine designed for various grading applications. It boasts a fuel tank capacity of gallons 278 liters, ensuring extended working hours without frequent refueling. Its impressive blade length of 11 feet enables efficient and precise grading operations, making it a versatile tool for construction and maintenance projects. The machine's robust construction and advanced features contribute to its durability and productivity, making it a reliable choice for demanding tasks. Whether you're working on road construction, site preparation, or other grading projects, the Case 836C is a dependable and efficient solution. Its ergonomic design and intuitive controls enhance operator comfort and productivity. The XCA120E is a cutting-edge all-terrain crane manufactured by XCMG. This powerful machine is designed to handle a wide range of heavy-duty lifting tasks with precision and efficiency. It boasts impressive lifting capacity and reach, making it suitable for various construction, infrastructure, and industrial projects. The XCA120E features advanced technology and innovative engineering solutions to ensure optimal performance and safety. Its robust construction and reliable components guarantee durability and longevity, even in the most demanding conditions. The crane's user-friendly interface and ergonomic design enhance operator comfort and productivity, enabling efficient operations. The XCA120E compact dimensions and excellent maneuverability make it ideal for working in tight spaces and congested job sites. The SEM 922 is a powerful motor grader designed for tough conditions. It features a fuel tank capacity of 240 liters, allowing for extended operation without refueling. The machine's standard blade length of 4,279 millimeters provides excellent versatility for various grading tasks. Its all-wheel drive system ensures superior traction and stability, making it ideal for working on challenging terrains like snow, sand, gravel, and mud. The SEM 922 is equipped with a powerful engine that delivers ample power for efficient grading operations. The machine's advanced hydraulic system provides precise control over blade movements, allowing for accurate and efficient grading. The ergonomic cab design and intuitive controls enhance operator comfort and productivity. The Komatsu HD785 is a powerful and durable rigid haul truck designed to handle heavy-duty hauling tasks in mining and construction industries. It boasts an impressive engine power of 1,200 horsepower, allowing it to efficiently transport massive loads. With a payload capacity of 91 metric tons, the HD785 is capable of significantly increasing productivity on large-scale projects. The truck's robust construction and advanced technology ensure reliable and efficient operation in the harshest conditions. Its ergonomic cab design and intuitive controls provide a comfortable and safe working environment for operators. The HD785 advanced safety features, such as automatic braking systems and collision avoidance technology, help to minimize accidents and ensure the safety of operators and other personnel on the job site. The HD785 fuel-efficient engine and advanced transmission system contribute to lower operating costs. The Sandvik DD322i is a powerful and versatile development drill designed for underground mining operations. It features a compact and maneuverable design, allowing it to operate in tight spaces and navigate complex underground environments. Equipped with advanced automation features, the DD322i offers increased productivity and safety. Its intelligent boom system ensures precise drilling accuracy, while the ergonomic operator cabin provides a comfortable and efficient working environment. The DD322 robust construction and reliable components guarantee long-lasting performance and minimal downtime. The DD322i powerful drilling system and efficient dust extraction system contribute to increased productivity and improved working conditions for operators. The Develon SD300N is a powerful and efficient wheel loader designed for a wide range of applications in construction and materials handling. It boasts a robust construction and advanced technology, ensuring reliable and durable performance in demanding conditions. The SD300N is equipped with a powerful engine that delivers ample power for efficient material handling tasks. Its hydraulic system provides precise control over bucket movements, allowing for accurate and efficient loading and unloading operations. The ergonomic operator cabin offers a comfortable and safe working environment with intuitive controls and excellent visibility. The SD300N advanced safety features. The Øveraasen RS600 is a high-performance airport runway sweeper designed to efficiently clear snow and ice from large airport surfaces. It boasts impressive clearing capacity and working speed, allowing for rapid and effective snow removal operations. The RS600 is equipped with a powerful engine and advanced technology, ensuring optimal performance in challenging winter conditions. Its robust construction and durable components guarantee long-lasting reliability and minimal downtime. The RS600 ergonomic design and intuitive controls provide a comfortable and efficient working environment for operators. The RS600 advanced safety features, such as automatic braking systems and collision avoidance technology, help to minimize accidents and ensure the safety of operators and other personnel on the airport. The John Deere 200 GT is a powerful and versatile mid-size excavator designed for a wide range of applications, including construction, demolition, and material handling. It offers a balance of power, precision, and efficiency, making it a popular choice for contractors and rental companies. The 200 GT is equipped with a robust engine, an advanced hydraulic system, delivering impressive digging force and lifting capacity. Its intuitive controls and responsive hydraulics enable operators to perform tasks with precision and accuracy. The spacious and ergonomic cab provides a comfortable working environment, while advanced safety features help protect operators. The 200 GT efficient engine and hydraulic system help to reduce fuel consumption and operating costs. The ZCT300 is likely referring to a Zoomlion telescopic crawler crane. This 30-ton crane is a powerful and versatile machine, ideal for various construction and lifting applications. It boasts impressive lifting capacity and reach, making it suitable for a wide range of tasks. The ZCT300 compact design and excellent maneuverability allow it to operate in tight spaces and challenging terrains. Its advanced hydraulic system ensures precise and efficient operation, while its robust construction guarantees durability and reliability. Additionally, the ZCT300's ergonomic cab design and intuitive controls provide a comfortable and safe working environment for operators. The ZCT300's advanced safety features. The Dressta TD15M is a powerful and versatile crawler dozer designed for demanding construction and earth-moving applications. It boasts a robust construction and advanced technology, ensuring reliable and efficient performance in the harshest conditions. The TD15M is equipped with a powerful engine that delivers ample power for efficient grading and dozing tasks. Its advanced hydraulic system provides precise control over blade movements, allowing for accurate and efficient grading operations. The ergonomic cab design and intuitive controls enhance operator comfort and productivity, making the TD15M a reliable and efficient choice for demanding tasks. Additionally, the TD15M advanced undercarriage system ensures excellent traction and stability, allowing it to operate effectively on various terrains.